Solar energy is a renewable and clean source of power that is harnessed from the sun's rays. When we use solar energy, we reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and decrease greenhouse gas emissions. Solar energy systems do not produce air or water pollution, making them eco-friendly alternatives. By utilizing solar power, we can prevent further damage to our environment and combat climate change. The use of solar energy helps preserve natural resources like coal, oil, and natural gas. Solar panels can be installed on rooftops, reducing the need for additional land space or destruction of habitats. Solar power systems operate silently, avoiding noise pollution that other energy sources may cause. Solar energy can be used to power homes, businesses, and even vehicles, reducing our carbon footprint. Using solar energy can lower electricity costs, making it a cost-effective and sustainable choice for households. Installing solar panels can increase the value of properties and attract environmentally conscious buyers.